Hey guys, good day everyone. It's your Engine Cadet Sarlan. For today's video, I will discuss any new technologies that can aid in the compliance of marine environment protection. The rising tide of technology safeguarding our marine environment through innovation, the vast expanse of our ocean, cradle of biodiversity, and a vital regulator of global climate change. Faces unprecedented threats from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Ensuring compliance with marine environmental protection regulations is paramount, and emerging technologies are offering powerful tools to navigate this complex challenge. These innovations are not merely reactive measures, they represent an proactive shift towards a more sustainable and responsible relationship with our marine ecosystem. One of the most transformative technologies is remote sensing and satellite imagery. Historically, monitoring vast ocean area was a logistical nightmare. Today, satellites equipped with advanced sensor can track oil spill with remarkable precision, detecting even small leaks that might otherwise go unnoticed. This capability is crucial for rapid response and mitigation, minimizing the devastating impact on marine life. Moreover, satellite data allows for the continuous monitoring of water quality, detecting harmful algal blooms and plastic debris accumulation. This large-scale consistent monitoring provides invaluable data for policymakers and enforcement agencies, enabling them to identify hotspots of pollution and implement targeted intervention beyond pollution. Satellite technology is vital for combating illegal, unreported, and unregulated or AUU fishing. By monitoring vessel activity and tracking fishing patterns, authorities can identify and apprehend vessels engaged in illegal activities, ensuring compliance which quotes and protecting vulnerable fish stocks. Tomatoes underwater bicycle or AUBS and drones are revolutionizing our ability to explore and understand the underwater world. This robot can venture into deep sea environments mapping previously uncreated. The 5 types of new technologies that can aid in the marine environment. The first one is the remote sensing and satellite technology. Monitoring pollution satellite can track oil spill, plastic debris, accumulation, and change in water quality on a large scale. This allows for rapid identification of pollution hotspot and effective response measures. They also monitor algal blooms, which can be harmful to marine life and human health. Tracking marine life. Satellite telemetry allows scientists to track the movement of marine animals such as whale, sea turtles, shark. This data is crucial for understanding migration patterns, habitat use, and the impact of human activities. Enforcing regulations. Satellite imagery helps monitor fishing vessels activity, aiding in the enforcement of fishing regulation and combating illegal, unreported, and unregulated or EUU fishing. Next one is the Tomatoes underwater bicycle or EUVS and drones. Deep sea exploration. AUBS can explore and map deep sea environments, providing valuable data on biodiversity, geological features, and map and the impact of human activities. Monitoring coral reefs. Drones and underwater robots can capture high-resolution image and videos of coral reefs, allowing scientists to assess their health and monitor change over time. Collecting data. This device can be fitted with a sensor and gather data of water, temperature, salinity, pH level, and other environment parameters. Cleaning up the debris. Aqua drones are being developed to collect plastic and other debris from harbor and other waterways. The third is the artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning. Data analysis. Algorithm can analyze vast amounts of data collected from science, satellites, sensors, and other sources to identify patterns and trends in marine ecosystem. Specifies identifications. AI can be used to automatically identify marine species from image and videos. Streamlining biodiversity surveys, predictive modeling, machine learning models can predict the impact of climate change, pollution, and other sensors on marine ecosystem. The fourth one is the sensor technology. Real-time monitoring sensor deployed in the ocean can provide real-time data on water quality, temperature, and other environment parameters. Acoustic monitoring underwater. Acoustic sensor can detect the presence of marine mammals, track their movement, and monitor noise pollution. The last one is the marine biotechnology. Biomirrigation using microorganisms to clean up oil spill and pollutants, developing sustainable materials. Research into using marine organisms to develop biodegradable plastic and other sustainable materials. These technologies are playing a vital role in enhancing our ability to monitor, understand, and protect our marine environment. And this is the end of our topic for the new technologies can aid in the compliance of marine environment protection. Thank you for watching my video. God bless, and please subscribe.